All right, today we have our glorious showdown between different AI models. Because today is the free weekend and the AI showdown of Lovable.dev. So they kindly basically let you use the platform and the models for free. And you can choose between OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, and also Lovable. And um, yeah, it's free. You can just test it out. So I thought I use this opportunity to compare them side by side because I had an idea for, or I'm working on a certain platform and I wrote down a long prompt and I wanted to see how the different models perform and how the different websites will look like. So this is what we are going to have a look at today. So we'll compare OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini or Google, and yeah, we can see which one is the best model. I can already say like there are probably some favorites and some not so favorite ones. But yeah, let me know in the comments below which one you like the most. So let's jump into it. So before we start, so the platform, just a quick outline. It's basically a data processing platform where you can uh, use AI and push all your data, unstructured data, into AI and restructure it into a structured format. So it's that you can have like a data table or multiple tables from your unstructured files. So you might have Excel files, CSV files, you might have data in Google Docs and so on. And basically you want to extract this data and put it into a nice neat format such that you can put it into a database or a Google Sheet and query it and whatnot. So this is the whole platform about, or what the platform is about. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay, on the first website was built by Google, and this is how it looks. So here I try to use just one prompt. So you can see like this is the prompt now. It's very long, and yeah. So this is the current state is like after one prompt, and you can see we have a dashboard. We have like a pipeline. So these are sort of the different processing pipelines. So maybe I have some financial data I want to extract. I have like HR metrics I want to extract and so on. So we have quick actions to make a new experiment, upload configurations, and we also see like a history, recent results. We see the status, we see the number of files which are processed and the run. So let's have a look at the experiments. Okay, so here same, we can see all the experiments. Obviously, like the UI, like it's not working, but it's like everything is mocked in Lovable, and you can later add the backend bit by bit. Okay, so source page coming soon, results page coming soon, and configuration page coming soon. So they are coming soon. You hear that here first. But they should, like, everything should be specified in the prompt. So yeah, it just stopped there because I don't know, the prompt was too long or it was like tired. All right, let's jump to the next one. This one is by Anthropic, and here I have to say it didn't work instantly. I had to try to fix it. So there was an error after building everything, and then I just asked it to fix the error, but I didn't ask anything further. So it just fixed the error. All right. So what do we have here? We have the dashboard. We have active experience. We have processing queue, files processed, success rate. Like overall, it looks nicer, I have to say. Mm, I'm not so sure whether I need these like statistics and like file process, like overall, I'm not sure. This progress is good. And then we have like history, status, files, success rate, last run, and some. Oh, this actually works. View results. monitor. Okay, just the view results works. It looks better. Overall, it looks better, but I'm not sure whether I need some of the stuff. But this is basically depending on your prompting. So let's see. Okay, experiment page looks much better. So in the processing pipeline, there's like stuff where you can set up the file types you want to process. You can set up OCR, you can do table extraction and whatnot. And it actually, like brought everything into here, which is nice. So I can create an experiment. I can set types and I can set the base directory. Okay, that's also really nice. So you can see like, okay, I want to restructure all files in a certain folder, which is also part of the functionality. Then you have search categories, which is also correct. So you search the files and like differentiate. And so these are not working, but this is actually also in my document contained. We have like a file blacklist and folder blacklist, so specific files and folders which we don't need. And here we can save configuration files. All right. Okay. Sorry. So overall, this is much better. Like, okay, data sources, we don't have anything here. And we have also a results page. This looks same as before. Now here we can search extracted data. Okay, here's some numbers. So for example, the year, the revenue, the profit, and the confidence interval by the large language model. And like this lets us directly analyze the data, which is nice. You can also create a report and export it as a CSV file. I guess this is good. I'm not sure whether this applies like everywhere, because for HR matrix you might not have this. But overall, I must say this is pretty solid. Pretty solid. Now, the last model. Let's have a look. The last model is OpenAI and okay. Yeah, this looks like someone built it with Streamlit. I mean, okay, we have active experiments, processing queue, we have same functionality. Like, this is a little bit messed up. I think it is the correct pipeline actually, but it's yeah, with the triangles, it sort of messed the view up. Okay, experiments. Okay, it's not a page, not a page, not a page. All right. Okay, so that I think concludes it. So we have number one, Doc Intel from Google. We have experiments, we have sources, config. We have from Claude, from Anthropic. We have the dashboard, we have experiments here. This is actually, no, this is not working. And we have, last but not least, from OpenAI. Yeah, that's it. So I don't know, like it's really interesting. So this was the same prompt for all of them. And it's quite interesting to how different the output is. Obviously, if I run it again, the output will be different again. But yeah, this already gives some direction. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which one you like the most. And yeah, it's a great platform. Like I really enjoy it to program with Lovable and do these mockups, and they are quite quick. So you can play around and even download the GitHub repository and change it and modify it however you like. So yeah, shout out to the guys at Lovable. It's actually a great event, and hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye bye.